Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. This is the Hibbs Van Fleet's camping trip. What is today? It's Friday morning.
Yes.
And we're about to eat some bacon and eggs. And we got Mama and Papa Shane. No, not Mama and Papa Shane. Mama and Papa Hibbs. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
This is fun, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Survived the cold temperatures last night. Yeah, so let's do a roll call real quick and see who's all here.
Meredith's here.
Okay.
Victoria's here.
All right.
I'm here.
You're here? And what's your name? Krista.
Faith's here.
Alan's here. Noah's here.
Jemiah's here.
Roger's here. Shane's here.
Sandy's here.
And I'm here. All right. Hey, everybody.
Hello.
Hey.
We're all going to Donaldson Cave.
We are. Yep. I don't know how many kids are here. 4 adults. What?
Kayla's a kid.
5 adults. Sorry, Kayla. 7 kids and 3 dogs and a partridge in a pear tree.
Having a good old time.
Yes.
All right, let's go. makeshift kitchen with Miss Hibbs. Kayla, how you doing?
Doing good.
What are you doing, Kayla? Explain the process, what you're doing.
I'm prepping this corn here.
And
by
how are you going to cook the
dipping
corn?
it in this water.
How are you going to
and
cook the
pulling
corn?
all the little strings off.
All right, you're doing a
On the grill.
fantastic job. Wow, these look great over here. Who did these?
Oh, I did those.
Oh, you know what? You are a master chef.
Yeah.
What we got going over here? We got our stove. We're gonna cook our beans on. We got the grill set up here to do the chicken on a stick. We're here in our makeshift kitchen. We're camping. Kayla's doing a fantastic job. See what everyone else is doing. So Roger, rumor has it that you cut down your first tree.
Yep.
What did you yell?
Timber.
Good. Did you hit anybody?
No.
Congratulations.
No, it didn't.
What's up, Jeremiah?
Nothing.
How many trees have you chopped down?
A lot.
4.
4.
4.
Hey, Mama, how you doing?
Okay.
Doing well?
Yes.
Good. You enjoying yourself?
I am.
All right. Oh,
Sorry.
hey, guys, you mess with her, this is what's going to happen. That knife is going to go somewhere where it's going to be very unpleasant. You got anything you wish to say to anybody on this video about that knife? And so Kayla's over there prepping corn. I videotaped her. She says Kayla's cooking. She's prepping the corn.
We're not having dinner, guys.
So I go to her. I said, "Hey, can I videotape you doing the corn?" And she's, "No, Roger, please. You're being too corny." So, wah wah wah.
That made the otter joke.
Look what in my mouth.
That made the otter joke look good. Look at this boy over here. What you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing. All right. I'm gonna go cook. All right. So how we doing, Kayla?
Doing good.
What you doing?
Just stirring some baked beans
Nice.
after adding some relish.
Shh.
Oh,
Can't.
sorry.
Yep.
Can you bleep that out?
Yeah, we're gonna cut that out. Yeah, you can't say what the ingredients.
away the secret
You see the ingredient. We got raw chicken out here, but we're cooking chicken over here. Look at this. This is good. And we got this. This is for the corn, which Kayla has prepped over here. Notice her style. She leaves the can of beans
My bad.
laying against the corn. That is.
For extra flavor.
Did you learn that in France somewhere in your
Yeah.
culinary classes?
Yeah, it's a thing.
All right, guys. So look, that's.
Flavor gets on the corn.
That's just amazing. And look at her parents are saying they are standing in awe.
Yeah.
They cannot believe this is their daughter who is showing off a little bit. I think you are in your cooking skills.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like, how come you haven't done this in the past? I don't know,
No,
15 years.
I have. I just keep it low key.
I was gonna say she probably.
What do you think, Faith?
About what?
About what? That's perfect. Yeah. Meanwhile, Meredith's just cooking, messing up my shot here.
I am. I'm sorry.
All right.
I'm
Think my-
doing it for you.
Let's take a look at this chicken here. Look at that.
A ladle out, she's gonna say, "Hey, where's the ladle?"
No, we don't need a ladle except for maybe some hot cocoa. Look at this. We got a spoon. Look at that. Looking good. That is just looking. Look at that. We are ready to eat. Almost. All right. So good, brings tears to your eyes.
It's just so wonderful.
Meanwhile, Kayla hasn't stopped stirring that pot for the last 15 minutes.
That's my job.
That's right.
This is what you told me to do.
Not on her watch.
These baked beans are gonna be great.
They are going to be the best baked
And
bean
baked beans ever.
ever. With the secret ingredient, which you gave away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me not to.
Well, never share anything with you because you're just going to blab it off and you got people walking
Just
here.
don't post it on Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll keep that to ourselves.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, we are just about done. We got corn and foil, and a stick there. We got Kayla with the baked beans. Everyone's lining up for dinner.
I was first.
Here goes our fire.
Chocolate Reese.
How's that going, buddy? How you liking that?
I shouldn't be messy.
Uh-huh.
I'm not that messy.
You're not that messy?
No.
Okay, so when you watch this, you realize you're really not that messy.
No.
You don't have anything on your face right now at all.
I do. But I'm saying I don't do this all the time. I don't like smear it in my face.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Is that good?
I do flour.
Sure. You can get a little marshmallow at a truck. If you don't want a big one.
There's some hot cocoa we can make.
Ooh, that's fancy camping. That's
That sound nice?
Can we put marshmallows in it? With
It looks you're ready for the
Huh?
hot
I
cocoa.
vote yes.
Get your pants.
Yeah, I know. I have my wintertime pants on.
I'm about to change to my jammy pants.
I just got these from Madison. I would have had no pants to wear. All mine were dirty.
Your pajama pants I just bought you.
The super soft ones are dirty.
Super soft, really?
Super soft.
Yeah, super soft.
They had fruit off on them. They're doing great.
That's not
What's going on over here?
delicious marshmallow.
Oh, let me see that. Go ahead and eat it. Nice.
Jeez.
All right. Oh man, look at that. That's camping right there.
Yeah, this is cotton too.
Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Oh, sorry. So.
Oh my. Look at that.
Hi, Sam.
That right there.
Hi, Sam. Hi, Sam. Oh,
Hey, what did you say? Did you say like
I don't know what they said. Oh my gosh. Here, let him heat up. Take him into the tent. Cover up or something. Yeah, but I ate it like earlier. So I'm just finishing up.
Does anybody want to hear a scary story?
What about Goldilocks?
Should I, Mommy?
No, not just gonna tell it in the voice. Dad, please, I'm about to cry. I'm baby right now. Don't scare Tilly. Mom, that's what I'm doing.
All right. SpongeBob
Dad,
walked into
Dad, don't listen to the
the
words.
Krusty Krab
Don't.
and he ordered Krabby Patty.
I'm going in. No, he ordered a taco.
He picked up
No, Chris.
the Krabby Patty and he bit into the Krabby Patty and he said, "Oh, this is the best Krabby Patty ever. I never had a Krabby Patty this delicious."
Where's the pickles?
Patrick, you have to come. Come here, Patrick.
Did you understand?
Patrick comes. I never had a Krabby Patty this wonderful. It's so delightful. I think I shall eat 3 a day. Just then, Mr. Krabs busts through. What? Did I just hear you say you gotta have 3 Krabby Patties? That makes me happy.
See, that's what we do about laughing. Hey, Dad, can I tell one?
Morning, son. Good morning, everyone. We're here. We're Saturday morning. We have survived another night of mid 40-degree temps. Morning, Hibbites.
Morning.
Good morning, good morning. Papa Shane has gotten his our fire here going this morning, and we're just getting up, trying to figure out why in the world would we want to do this on purpose. What do you think, Bobo? do you think, Faith? About this stuff of camping. What's your adventure? Is this your first time doing this?
It is.
Yeah? What do you think?
It was fun.
It was fun. Ready to go home?
I'd stay another night
You stay another night? Look at you, a trooper.
if it wasn't so cold.
Was it so cold? Yeah, it is. Needs to be a little bit warmer. Just a tad. Let me come in here and let me see here. Who do I have over here? This is
Say hi, Jeremiah.
Jeremiah. How you doing, buddy?
Good.
So is this your first time doing tent camping?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what do you think about it?
It's cool.
It's cool? Yeah? You like it?
Yeah.
Do it again?
Yep.
For sure. All right. There's Kayla.
Hey.
How'd you sleep last night?
Pretty good.
Good, good. So I know you only had one night tent camping. We got 2 in. So what are your thoughts so far?
I liked it.
Good.
It's good.
Excellent. Good morning, Miss Allie. How are you doing, sweetheart? Are you having fun?
Yes.
Do you like tent camping?
Yes.
Was it too cold for you?
Yes.
Yes. Did you sleep good last night?
Yes.
Yes. Will you want to do this again?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. There's my son, Roger. Good morning, son. You had fun? No, you've been tent camping before, but want to do this again sometime?
Sure.
Sure. All right. You sleep all right? Was it too cold for you?
It was warm.
You were warm? Good. Hey, Mommy. Did you have fun? I know this is the first time you went tent camping, like, since you were just a little girl.
Thank you.
It wasn't very long ago.
No, it wasn't that long ago.
No. You do this again?
Definitely.
All right. But the main question, will we do it to Hibbs again? I don't know, yeah, you know?
Why not?
Of course we will. Of course. Here we have Victoria.
Hi.
Good morning, Victoria. How are you?
Good morning. Good.
Yeah, you having fun?
Yes.
It's your first time tent camping?
Yes.
Yeah, how you like it so far?
I love it.
Love
except
it?
for the raccoons.
Except for the raccoons?
They're cute, but they're totally disgusting in some ways.
In some ways. Okay. Well, that's really good observation you have there. But so, tent camping, thumbs up, right?
Big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. You will be willing to do this again?
Yep.
How about with these people, the Hibbs? Would you go and camp with them again?
Yeah.
Yeah, for
They're
sure.
so much fun.
All right, well, good. Hey, Chrissy, come here. How you doing? Good morning. Okay, you're with your dog there.
That's my dog.
So, Chrissy, let me ask you a question. So, how do you like tent camping?
Fine.
Fine?
Yes.
Yes? Did you have a fun time?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Mom.
You didn't anyone tell you you're a girl of many words?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes? So, would you want to be willing to do tent camping again?
Yes.
Yeah?
With me? Yes.
What's your favorite part of tent camping?
The cave.
The cave. Okay.
The cave.
Yep, we saw an otter. That's it.
Here we have Pop Shane. How you doing, buddy?
You're good.
You had fun?
Yep.
Is this something worthwhile doing again?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's great. But the question is, would you do it again with the Van Fleets?
Sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Why not? We're game for it. And over here in the truck, we've got the last person we're going to interview for our exit interview. This is the morning we're leaving here. Here's Mama Hibbs. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was a lot
Yeah,
of fun.
a lot of fun. When's the last time you went tent camping?
It's been probably 10 years.
Okay, good. So, good experience. All right, we willing to do this again?
Yeah.
All right, we got it on video. Everyone seemed to have a fun time. Anyone says otherwise, we'll hold you in contempt and court of law and perjury. Got you on tape saying that you had a great time, especially Faith. She said she'll spend another night.